Wat Huay Pla in Chiang Rai is known for its enormous white statue of Guan Yin, often mistakenly referred to as Big Buddha of Chiang Rai. The image represents Guan Yin, the Chinese goddess of mercy. The recently built temple sits on a hill in the rural area north of Chiang Rai town. The statue sits on top of a mound. A flight of stairs lined with Chinese dragons leads to the image. Seated on a pedestal of lotus flower petals, the Guan Yin statue rises 90 meters into the air. Guan Yin is the Chinese goddess of mercy. She is the bodhisattva of compassion, a bodhisattva being anyone on the path to becoming a Buddha. Sometimes Guan Yin is depicted having 1,000 arms. Having 1,000 arms and 1,000 eyes enables her to help more people at the same time. Wat Huay Pla is a mix of Thai Lana and Chinese styles. On the grounds are a huge statue of Guan Yin, a 9-story pagoda, and a Thai temple. Last time we were here in December 2018, we did not go inside the statue or into the Thai temple as it was being renovated. We then only went into the 9-story pagoda. You can find a link to my video from 2018 in the text below. Once inside the Guan Yin statue, visitors can take a lift 25 floors up to the top. There is a 40-baht fee for the lift to the 25th floor of the Guan Yin statue. This time we went inside the statue of Guan Yin, curious to see what is hiding inside this enormous 90-meter high sculpture. We were not disappointed. The walls of the top floor are covered with white stucco depictions of Guan Yin, Nagas, as well as mythical creatures and trees. Looking out from the 25th floor, you will have great views of valleys, mountains, forests, and Chiang Rai town. The Naga is a large mythological snake, often depicted with multiple heads. Naga snakes are often found protecting Buddhist temples, their bodies extending over the balustrades of the stairs that lead to the temple. On the chest of one of the Buddha figures, I found this more than 10,000-year-old symbol, which almost resembles the Nazi swastika from the Second World War. The only difference is that the Nazi swastika is turned 45 degrees clockwise. In Hinduism, Jainism, and Buddhism, the swastika is still used today as a religious symbol of good luck. The word swastika comes from Sanskrit and means good luck. We were overwhelmed from all the tiny little details. The numerous amount of small mirrors and shiny silver buttons glued into the leaves and stems of the trees as jewelry on the statues. We also noticed the red glass eyes of the Nagas and the caste mark on the forehead of the Buddha statues. It must have taken the artists who made this more years to finish. Once outside, you will notice a large number of different statues in white marble surrounding the Guanyin statue. It is astonishing to see how the artists have recreated the mimics from faces, heights and body structures. It somehow reminds me of the 200 granite, bronze and iron figures in Frognerparken in Oslo made from the Norwegian artist Gustav Vigeland. They were installed mainly in the period 1940 to 49, but is nevertheless a result of over 40 years of work. The only Thai-style building on the grounds of Wat Huay Pla Kang is the Vihan, the assembly hall. The building is guarded by large Naga serpents on either side of the stairs. The all-white Vihan is a multi-tiered roof adorned with sculptings of mythical creatures. The interior walls are adorned with depictions of Buddhist stories. The principal Buddha image and a smaller one in front of it face the entrance.
ด้านหน้าผมมีขอเชิญร่วมทำบุญนะครับขอต้องดูจัดซื้ออุปกรณ์การแพทย์โรงพยาบาลรักษาพยาบาลเพื่อการที่อยากจะเป็นสิ่งสาธารณะในวัดสร้างโรง